Good morning. I've always dreamed of visiting remote places, places where mass tourism is not present. Yeah, we made it. The only landlocked country in Southeast Asia. Guys, welcome to Laos. Here we are, Vientiane, Laos. Looking for attractions in Vientiane, you cannot find many. Basically, there is this French arch built during the time where the French were here, and just a beautiful, magnificent stupa, which we'll be going to visit soon. But let's admire this beauty with a nice yellow bin. That's amazing. I'm so excited. Laos, I never thought that you could come here. A couple of days ago, I was basically researching on the internet on how can you come into Laos. And there are two options. You either get a visa on arrival, where you need to fill up a form, you need to have already printed a couple of pictures, if I'm not mistaken free, and pay the fee upon arrival. Or you could do it online, an e-visa, a modern e-visa. The difference in between the two, in the meanwhile we can admire the beauty. That's sick. Anyway, the difference in between the two types of visas is that the one on arrival, it costs $40 US. And the online one, it costs $50 US. But I thought that, you know what, I don't want to be there upon arrival, filling up forms, taking pictures, encountering any issue, and I did it online. It was a great decision, because for visa on arrival, there were long queues. Few things that we need to know about Laos. So the good thing is, although the visa is quite expensive, there are loads of natural attractions in this country. Of course, I'm not gonna list them in here because you can find them online. I just want to point out the fact that upon arrival at the airport, you can get a SIM for $3 US. I'm gonna stay here for roughly 15 days, and I paid only $3 US. You can pay in Kip, the local currency. You can pay in Baht, Thai Baht, or you can pay in US dollars. It's up to you. However, 15 giga of data for 15 days, it costed me only $3 US. That's sick. If you compare it to Thailand, this is really cheap. Another important thing is, I imagined upon arrival that I will be assaulted by a ton of taxi drivers. It was not like that. Upon arrival, there is a small office of a company, and you have two choices. You either get a minibus, and it's costing $9 US, or you get a private taxi, which is $7 US. No one comes up to you, bothering you, offering you any kind of taxi or any kind of other service, so therefore you don't have to bargain, which is great. I chose to get a private taxi, $7 US. Within 10 minutes, I managed to get to the city center, to my hotel. In a distance, by the way, I don't know if you can see it, up there is the Golden Stupa, the monument that represents Laos in all its glory, and in all the logos around. We will go there in a second. Right, guys, so we're leaving the arch, the French arch behind us, and we will be walking towards the golden stupa. I don't know if you can see it on the horizon with its bright colors. There is the biggest stupa, one of, I should say, of the biggest stupas in Southeast Asia. Now, we're supposed to cross the street without getting killed. A thought of the day is, I don't know if it's because of Sunday, today's Sunday in here, or because it's like that on a daily basis, but the city is really, really quiet. There is not much people around, not many cars, right? So let's risk it without getting killed. And we did it. Right, so I was saying that the city is quite chilled. There is not much people around. I don't know. Let's see. I'm really, 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 really happy, excited. Laos. I always dreamed of coming here, seeing what life looks like in this part of the world. And here we are. The temperature is around 30 degrees. It's quite hot. Less humid than Thailand, to be honest, which is great because you are not sweating without doing anything like happens in Thailand. In here we can see small shops with small and medium businesses, supermarkets, traditional clothing shop, all the tools for fishing. I'm happy. We are in central Vientiane and it seems like we are in a village up north Thailand. I don't know. I love to see all these small details, like the woman with the traditional hat and with local products. I guess those ones are dry fruits or maybe some snacks, some local snacks. Of course, we will try everything. But before doing that, we must go to see the main landmarks, the few landmarks that we have in Vientiane. Well, Toyota is everywhere. Same like in Thailand. People love to drive huge pickups, SUVs. I don't know. Maybe because they have really bad infrastructure, really bad streets. But I don't know. They love, or maybe because it's status. A huge car means you've got a good financial situation. It's everything about bowling, isn't it? We don't know. Right, so we still have roughly a couple of minutes till the stupa. Wow, what I really like is that every street has the Lao alphabet, the name in the Lao alphabet, English, and also French. Ruelle 12. That's sick. That's really nice. If we compare it to Thailand, where they have only Thai language and English, this is really nice. Oh wow. That's really interesting. So the Lao flag and the USSR communist flag. As you know, Laos is a communist country. One ruling party, the Communist Party, which is sick. Where in 2022, same like China, they are one of the few countries left with a single party. Among them, China, North Korea, Vietnam, Laos. Fascinating. Well, I might have missed a couple of them, but this is one of the best. Right guys, so we almost there. Wow. As you can see, there is the golden stupa in front of us. There is a huge parking lot, or a huge, I don't know how to define it, like a plot of land where events are being held. I don't know. However, in there we can see another beautiful building, brand new. Most probably is an institution or the royal palace. I don't know. We'll definitely go and have a look at it later. But we came all the way from the arch to see a golden stupa. That's incredibly nice and huge in real life. I'm excited. I really am. Right, so I've entered the site. There is a huge vat. I guess it's another temple. Really beautiful. But the main attraction is right in front of us, and it's impressive. Have a look at it. It really is. It's so nice to see all these local people dressed like monks. Or I should say, they aren't dressed, they are real monks. What I really like about this area, this part of the world, is it's full of colors. Orange, yellow, blue, red, all of them. It is really nice to admire such a combination. We don't see this kind of bright colors in Europe or in the US. The admission fee for a Lao, for a local, is 5,000 kip, and for a foreigner is 30,000 kip, which works out to be roughly £1.70, €1.50 for a foreigner, and 25p or 20 cents for a local. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a ticket. There is no one around here. I don't know. Let's have a look. Ticket, yeah, please. Thank you. Right, so we got ourselves a ticket now. Can I have one ticket, please? Right, guys, so we got ourselves a ticket. It's time to visit the golden stupa. We made it. We paid our 30,000 kip, and here we are. We are inside, and this is the golden stupa. It is really nice, big, although I imagined a little bit bigger. Since you can see it from really far, I believe 2 miles away from here, I thought that it's bigger. Don't get me wrong, it's big, it's nice. Maybe it sat on a hill to be seen from afar, but it is impressive. From my understanding, we cannot go inside and have a look at it. Right, guys, so we're about to exit the site. There is not much things to do in here except admiring the magnificent stupa. And yeah, what I find really fascinating is this, I don't know even how to call it. Here is the stupa from another perspective. Right, guys, we just exit the temple, and I'm walking towards the main palace right behind these trees. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's really hot now, although it's not humid, but still I need a drink. But before doing that, let's walk together to the palace to discover what it is. Again, we need to cross this huge parking lot or whatever it is to get to the palace. In there I can see another stupa, really beautiful white color. Maybe it's a marble one, I don't know. It's been an absolutely hell of an experience. 6 hours being here and I'm already thrilled about it. I love the local people. They are really genuine, respectful. They are approaching you in a nice way, and I love it. Or maybe this is a street, because there are a few cars passing through. Or maybe they are using this park lot for driving lessons. We don't know. Or certainly, I don't know. The little board there. But it's written only in Chinese and Vietnamese. Oh wow. Well, write it in the comments what this building is about, because me, I don't have a clue. Right, thank you very much guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for coming with me in this amazing adventure, and I will see you soon.